Well, yesterday it was the grand arrival of our plumber, and he did a pressure test on our in-floor heating system. Put somewhere in the neighborhood of 100 pounds worth of pressure against the tubing, and this morning it's still holding about the same amount of pressure as it had. So that seems to be in pretty good working order. And a big old semi showed up the other day, bringing trusses with it. So now we have a whole bunch of those as well. The rest of the supplies are coming sometime soon, and then after that the construction will actually begin. So it should be very interesting to see what happens in the coming months. Well, the concrete guys are here again, so it looks like it's getting real close to time for the last major concrete pouring project, and then we'll have a concrete pad ready for a garage to be built. And all this seems kind of surreal still. It's just kind of hard to believe that this is, actually happening after many years of waiting for it and things like that. So I'm hoping that it turns out real well. It's about 7:45 Thursday morning. What is it, September 10th? And we've got concrete guys here today. And they are pouring the floor. Our PEX tubing has had 100 pounds of pressure on it for about 2 days now. It's ebbed and flowed a little bit due to the warm and cold, but it has stayed locked on that high pressure, so it's got to be a good sign. But they might have this done by the end of today. I don't know. Pretty cool, though. Can't see too much from this side just yet, but I'm sure they'll be busy with that soon. Alright, it's a little after 7 o'clock at night here. The concrete guys have been here, and look at what they have done. All that board stuff that they had set up as a guide is gone. There's an outer rat wall, a little space cut in here for a door. The pipes are just barely sticking up now. Whoops. But the best news of all, our PEX tubing was charged up, and this has kind of ebbed and flowed due to the heating and cooling of the ground. But our PEX tubing is still holding all that pressure that was put under. Of course, we do have a bit of a bullet to dodge there, because tomorrow they're going to come, the concrete guys are, they're going to come along and they're going to score this concrete, put little lines in it. And although they're not going very deep with those, we certainly wouldn't want them to hit the PEX tubing. That would be bad. There's another spot for a door. And then over here, let's see here. Alright, here's a spot for one garage door. This is a short garage door. And here's a spot for another garage door. Another short garage door. And then this one down here, we could have had 4 garage doors, but I like the idea of having a long one. I think this one's going to be 16 feet long. And this is going to allow us to admit stuff that, is kind of an odd shape or is taken apart, something strange, But yeah, basically this is the story so far. Concrete guys have been here. They poured this. I wouldn't want to walk on it yet, but to the touch it's hard. And tomorrow they're coming to score it. They've put these bolts in to attach the rest of the building to. Left us a little bag of hardware down here. It's probably used for that purpose. And it's looking pretty sweet. So that's the story thus far.